What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Acura ZDX remote key fob. This Acura ZDX key fob is going to be for the 2024 to 2025 ZDX, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2450. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to flip the key fob over so the buttons are facing down and take a look at the bottom of it. You can see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. So what I'm going to do is put my key in that notch, push it in as far as it will go. Then I'm just going to angle the key up and pry up on that back cover like that. Once the cover is started, go ahead and pull it the rest of the way off with your hands. Now we can see our battery right here. And then I'm going to use my key to get in one of these two slots. You can get down under the edge and pop that battery out of its holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap the battery down into place. Then we'll snap the back cover on, and I'm going to hook the top right here on first, like that, and then snap it down into place, slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.